abalungi nga bano babeera mu Vumbula. Gye tubavumbula. Figure yeeyo 6 ku 7.
Ako.
Wemala nga situladonizera kati oleeta gwe.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
How are you? How are you doing? How are you finding the Vumbula and all?
It's so perfect.
So perfect.
Yeah.
The fashion sense?
Pardon?
The fashion sense. How are you finding the fashion tonight? You yourself and the
everyone is looking so nice, and actually I'm looking better than everyone here. Yeah. I'm looking better than everyone here.
What makes you think you're looking better than anyone else here?
Because I'm unique.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're cute.
Oh, thank you. Don't mention.
So tell me, have you come with a boyfriend? What you've come to Vumbula?
Do you want to take me for yourself?
Don't mention it because I might.
I'm ready to mingle.
I know. Okay, tudeko mu Luganda oli otya?
Jendi sebo mpozi kwe.
Kyekiganye.
Kijja kugwa.
Buli kimu.
Buli kimu.
Bakuvumbuddemu wavumbuddeko?
Navumbudde.
Wavumbudde?
Buli omu. Buli omu gwe nasobodde.
Wasobodde. Bannange bino ebifulu muba muzeemu nga kiki ekiba kibaleese ekituufu kiba kimuli ati ngenze kukola ki?
Ekisingira ddala kwetega kwolesa misono n'okuvumbula nga woowulira nti kuvumbula.
Weetezeeyo ko n'ofuna yako akutegula?
Wanje?
Weetezeeyo ko n'ofuna yako akutegulula?
Kandabe. We natandika okubalira sijja bba malayo.
Wakamala wanena ku
bbiri.
Bbiri. Mwezi ebbiri ofunyeemu ki?
Funyeemu ssente.
Wangi.
Funyeemu ssente.
Waliwo Junior ono Junior omumanyi. Tamale Mirundi. Omwepikira.
Gonneepikira.
Omwepikira.
Abaana abalungi nga bano babeera mu Vumbula. Gye tubavumbula. Figure yeeyo 6 ku 7.
Wangi.
Nga mugamba kiba.
Ako.
Wemala nga situladonizera kati oleeta gwe.
Naye gyote mu Vumbula gwe okubye essuuti gyagusema.
I'm alright. How are you?
You good? But okay. I have 2 people here, right? This is female. This is male. They have told us what happens at Vumbula stays at Vumbula. Is it right?
Yeah.
Have you done anything wrong?
No.
Why would you leave everything here and go back to Kampala with nothing?
No, we can't leave everything here. No, we can't.
So which member are you going with?
Adventure.
Adventure.
Yeah.
What have you Vumbula this side that you will go with?
I think fashion. Just people looking so good, dressing so well, finding cute people like her. Looking like her.
That made you forget her.
No. I found her here.
You can't be forgotten.
Never.
So tell us, what's the experience tonight?
Oh my God, it's amazing. It is so exciting, but somewhat overwhelming. But I love it, generally.
What have you Vumbula tonight?
This guy right here, he's very amazing.
Okay.
Yeah, he's cool. I mean, as a friend, obviously.
Did you guys come together? You found him there, you Vumbula'd him this side?
Yeah.
With the crew, I came with my crew.
Oh, so the crew and the crew picked you, eh?
No. We just found ourselves like special.
So you are the true definition of Vumbula.
Exactly.
So what have you Vumbula'd in him that has amused you too?
He's got good chat, eh? And he's very cool, eh? And I love those things, you know? And I also love the food, actually. The food is amazing. It's fly. Yeah.
What has made you be like, wow?
She looks cute and she has a name. She's called Sweetheart. That's her name.
Sweetheart.
That's her name.
Enjoy your night, guys.